Verifying your bank account on FreshBooks is an essential step to ensure smooth transactions and accurate financial management. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your FreshBooks account. Start by logging into your FreshBooks account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section, which is usually found in the left-hand menu. Step 2. Access payment settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Add your bank account. If you haven't already added your bank account, select the option to add a new bank account. Enter the required details such as your bank name, account number, and routing number. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 4. Initiate verification process. After adding your bank account, FreshBooks will typically initiate a verification process. This may involve sending small test deposits to your bank account. Check your bank account for these deposits, which may take a few days to appear. Step 5. Confirm the deposits. Once you see the test deposits in your bank account, return to FreshBooks and navigate back to the payment settings. Enter the amounts of the test deposits to confirm your bank account. After verification, your bank account will be linked and ready for use. Completing these steps will ensure your bank account is verified on FreshBooks, allowing for seamless financial transactions. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to FreshBooks support for assistance.